What if every ocean on Earth disappeared overnight? At first, it might sound unbelievable. Imagine waking up one morning and every ocean on the planet is simply gone. No Atlantic, no Pacific, no Indian Ocean, just endless stretches of exposed seafloor. At first, some people might even think it's an incredible opportunity. Millions of square kilometers of new land would suddenly appear. Entire mountain ranges hidden beneath the sea would become visible for the first time in human history. The deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers deep, would stand completely exposed. But that excitement wouldn't last long, because Earth's oceans aren't just giant pools of water. They're the engine that keeps our planet alive. The oceans contain about 97% of all the water on Earth. Without them, the global water cycle would almost collapse. Cloud formation would drop dramatically. Rainfall across much of the world would become extremely rare. Rivers would slowly begin drying up. Lakes would shrink year after year. Entire forests could begin dying from lack of water. Agriculture would suffer on a massive scale. Food shortages could spread across continents. Then another disaster would begin. Tiny marine organisms called phytoplankton produce roughly half of the oxygen added to Earth's atmosphere each year. As the oceans disappear, these organisms would die. The oxygen already in the atmosphere wouldn't vanish overnight, but over time the planet's ability to replenish oxygen would be severely reduced. Meanwhile, marine life would face immediate catastrophe. More than 2 million known marine species, from microscopic plankton to the largest blue whales, would lose their habitat almost instantly. Most would not survive. The climate would become increasingly unstable. Today, oceans absorb enormous amounts of heat from the sun and slowly release it back into the atmosphere. Without this natural temperature regulator, days could become scorching hot. Nights could become freezing cold. Weather patterns around the globe would become far more extreme. Coastal cities would also become unrecognizable. Instead of looking out across the sea, they would overlook vast, barren valleys stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Shipwrecks, ancient underwater volcanoes, massive underwater mountain ranges, and mysterious landscapes never seen by human eyes would suddenly lie exposed. Fortunately, this scenario is impossible under the laws of physics as we understand them. But if Earth's oceans ever vanished overnight, our planet wouldn't just look different. It would become almost impossible to recognize.